everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. So today I have a 20 by 20 inch canvas here. I already laid down my white and I just need to pop some bubbles. I'm going to attempt to do my blowout. And if you are unfamiliar with how I do my Dutch pour blowout, I'll link a video here. But I did this heart shape and it came out so cool looking. I don't use a hairdryer, I just use my breath and a straw. And the heart came out awesome. So I'll link it here and you can go back and see that video if you'd like. I'm going to do a peace sign. Thought it'd be something fun and, you know, it's apropos right now in the world we're living in. So I'm going to try it with some bright, fun colors. All right, so I'm going to lay down my puddles and then I'll begin to blow them out. So colors I'll use today are Liquitex Deep Violet. I'm going to use some Blick Fluorescent Violet. I'm going to use some Ultramarine. It's going to be very bright and colorful. I'm going to use this mixture. It's Folk Art Peacock Teal. It's a mixture of these deco art paints that are very similar in color. It's a peacock teal, teal mint, and Laguna. Because they were little small bottles, so I just made up one big bottle. I'm going to use this Arteza Pearl Turquoise. I'm going to use Prussian Blue. Use some deco art Pearl. And we need a pinky color. How about Hebio Violet Blue? I think that's all I'm going to use. I'm going to use gold, Deco Art Crinkle Cut Gold. All right, so I think we're good, and I'm going to get started.
Now days like these last with one another, with the feeling pass. Would you find out with me if it all starts to crumble? We'll search the pieces for a hope or a mumble. It's not for me to decide if I should be the one by your side. And hope we know when it's better to say goodbye. You ever wonder if we know what's best for one another? Are we just another project? We're both fixer-uppers, just waiting to crumble. If we search the pieces, would we be bitter, humble? It's not for me to decide if I should be the one by your side. And hope we know when it's better to say goodbye. You